You're watching Little Ladoo's Craft Corner. Today we're going to be learning how to make these Pongal Pannai rangolis. We're going to be making 4 of these and 4 of these that you'll be able to lay out on the floor. Rangoli or Kollam, as they're called in South India, are beautiful decorations that are put outside of homes to welcome good spirits and good thoughts into every home. Pongal is a festival of harvest celebrated in Tamil Nadu, but also all over Sri Lanka. I love this festival because it reminds me of a Indian Thanksgiving where we give thanks to nature for everything it gives to us, and also a time to celebrate with friends and family. So if you'd like to learn how to make this adorable kollam, then keep on watching. Here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a small circle bowl, a ruler, a white marker, a pencil, some scissors, some brown construction paper, some green construction paper, and a bunch of sequins, glitter, whatever you have that you can use to decorate. I've got some buttons as well, some white glue, and a toothpick. Now that you've got all your ingredients, let's get started. So you're going to take a piece of the brown card or construction paper, and you're going to trace the circle bowl onto the card. You can use a pencil to do so, and it doesn't really matter if it's going to show because we're going to be cutting this out a little bit later. Then you're going to take your ruler to create a line. I would say approximately an inch above the circle. And then join it on an angle on both sides. So this creates your pannai or pot. Originally, this is usually made out of clay. So you can also use a dark orange or dark red color to create this. Now we're going to cut this out. And there we've got one pot. Now we're going to trace this on the other 3 sheets of paper. And then we're cutting them all out. And there you go, you've got 4 pannais. Now we're going to create the leaves. So we're going to take that one piece of green card, fold it in half, and fold it in half again. So you've got 4 rectangles. And I'm going to draw freehand a leaf, and then I'm going to cut it out. And then you'll see, because the paper is folded, I end with 4 leaves. Perfect. Now for the fun part. We're just going to decorate the pots using the sequins and the white marker to draw decorations on it. You can use your imagination and creativity to make them all different or the same, whatever you like. If you don't have a white marker, you can use a white piece of chalk for the same effect, or any color that'll show up. Use your imagination and get creative. And then for the leaves, I'm just going to keep these simple and draw on some green lines. But if you'd like, you can add sequins or whatever you prefer. There you go. And now we've got 4 pots, all different, and the leaves. And now they're all ready to place on the floor in your home or outside on a porch. Thanks for watching Little Ladoo's Craft Box. We hope you enjoyed today's craft and that you will make it at home. When you do, make sure to tag us on Instagram or send us a DM. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and follow us, and let us know what you would like to see next time. Thanks for watching, Little Ladoos. See you next time.